Do you remember, you've been honest so far, did you receive these sums in cash from her?
No.
You've got no evidence about what happened to the rest of the 5,000 at all, and I've had a look at your accounts. When that loan was taken out, what did you say to Aleks about his responsibility in respect of that £5,000?
That he gonna pay that.
He's going to pay it back?
He admitted he will pay that, yeah.
He admitted he's going to pay it back. You're right, so far as I can gather, because at the time, you say you got him to sign a document to that effect.
Yes.
Let's have a look at the document you say you got him to sign.
You.
Michelle, would you allow Aleks to have a quick look at it? Just a quick peek. Thank you. Michaela, look at me, please. You tell me when this was drafted, please.
It was second day after or the same. I'm not quite sure, but it was short term after that.
Now, here's the thing. Do you see that? It's got no date on it. What it says is this. Do you see this document? It says, with this letter, me, has his name on it, I'm going to pay each instalment £180 for a duration of 36 months. Payment direct debits, so I'm confirming I'll be able to pay this to her account, the latest 25th, before money would be taken from account to prevent any charges from taking overdraft. Now, I understand English is not your first language, that's fine. Aleks, Michaela says after she took this loan out for the furtherance of your career, she gave you all the money, firstly by paying for your course, and secondly, even though she's got no evidence, giving you the rest in cash. You signed an agreement here saying, yep, I accept this 5,000 is for me, and I've signed to that effect. Do you remember signing that document?
I do not remember signing it, but I cannot deny that I haven't signed it.
Right, yes, that's what lawyers would say. In other words, you're equivocal. You don't know. Now, I've seen a sample of your signature, and I have to say it seems to me that your signature and this signature look pretty much alike. Having had an opportunity to look at that signature, does it look like your signature?
Yes, it is.
Now, this is very clear on the face of it what your obligation is. It says sufficient that I can construe there was some agreement between you, assuming I find this to be authentic, which I have some doubts about. Take yourself back to a place of truth and honesty. Do you remember, bearing in mind this is a very significant loan, bearing in mind how little you were earning at the time, agreeing to paying back £180 a month? It's a lot of money. Do you remember signing a document of that kind? Do you remember your friend being there? I'm over here. See its eye. Look into it.
I do not remember, Judge, but this sounds pretty much like the verbal agreement that we had.
Ah, well, that's splendid. So you acknowledge there was a verbal agreement?
Yes.